I am H.C. Gera, special correspondent from the Voice of Chandigarh. We are here at the Kevadia, where the 10th annual convention of ADTI is going on. My guest is Mr. Manmeet Singh, who is the chairman of the North region, particularly Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. He is well versed with the tourism industry. I welcome you to the Voice of Chandigarh, Mr. Manmeet Singh. Please share your views about this convention first.
Thank you, Kira Saab, for having me on Voice of Chandigarh and Voice of Canada. This convention is being organized in Gujarat at the place called Kevadia.
Okay.
And this is a treat to be here because here we can see the world's tallest Statue of Unity. And we are very happy to have our ADTI convention at this place. This has been marvelous experience as far as the venue is concerned and as far as the sessions being conducted on physical mode for the first time post-COVID era here in Gujarat.
Mr. Singh, it is for the first time that the physical convention is going to be held. It has been held rather now. And from virtual to real, and it will be a step forward for the promotion of the domestic tourism. What is your take on it?
Definitely yes. See, now we need to come out of our shells, and the industry has shown a remarkable experience, and they have come together, and that too in large numbers. We had to really curtail and take an excuse from our fraternity that we cannot entertain more than that. But this has given an experience to the entire travel fraternity and would definitely be a booster for the tourist to understand that if the travel fraternity themselves can move and go and visit the places, it's safe enough for the entire India to visit different places of India.
My very pertinent question to you is, Mr. Singh, that since the inbound tourism is almost stopped because of the COVID pandemic, so is the case with the outbound. And definitely the impact is in a positive manner for the domestic tourism also. How do you visualize in the absence of the pandemic and the inbound tourism in India?
Yes, domestic tourism is and was obviously being expected to be the first on the revival side. And with such kind of physical meetings, conventions, it has shown that it is safe enough now, and we do not need to have a psychological barrier that we have any kind of, COVID resistance. Now it is quite safe, and we'll see that with the domestic movement. Now, as soon as the international borders are opened up, inbound and outbound tourism will also start.
What will be the impact on the domestic tourism if it starts like that?
See, it is not supposed to start. It has already started, and at many destinations in India, we are experiencing and seeing for the real time that the guests are thronging on those places, and the occupancy of rooms has, completely sold out.
Mr. Chairman of the North region, what was your role in this convention? Please share your views.
My basic feeling for this convention was that we should come forward and show everybody that it is safe enough, and have a convention wherein 400 people or more have gathered here, and to build up that confidence. We are very happy that the government support was also there, and we could see that from the ministry side and from the government officials all present over here, and it was an experience.
My last question is, Mr. Manmeet Singh, what message would you carry back to Punjab or the North region for your tour operators who are waiting extensively for promoting the domestic tourism?
We are thankful for the media, to you, Mr. Khera, to Voice of Chandigarh and Voice of Canada. You will be our brand ambassadors, showing what has been really happening over here through the eyes of the real-time, pictures and the videos which you will be carrying. And when I reach back my region, I'll obviously, convey this to my government officials, my ministers over there, that if Gujarat can do it, definitely we can also do it here.
Thank you very much for being with the Voice of Chandigarh and the Voice of Canada. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.